friends, welcome to our first lesson learning Chinese for beginners. In this lesson we will cover and learn the pronouns. To learn Chinese is not difficult. Simply interest and practice makes you perfect in speaking Chinese. Let's start. Lesson number 1, pronouns. Wow, wow means I. Ni means you. Ta means he. Ta means she. Ta means it. Nin means you, respected. Taman means they. Woman means we. Niman means you, used for plural. Let's repeat. Wo means I. Ni means you. Ta means he. Ta means she. Ta means it. Nin means you. Taman means they. Woman means we. Niman means you, used for plural. When we put man after tha, wo and ni, they become thaman means they, woman means we, niman means you. Hope friends you must understand these pronouns. This is a basic lesson to know pronouns used in Chinese language. Friends, we will cover complete Chinese language in this course of learning Chinese for beginners. See you in next lesson. Thanks for watching.